welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a balloon Christmas tree for your coming Christmas party. Here we go. If you were looking for something different for your Christmas party this year, then you're going to love this balloon Christmas tree. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by making the frame of my balloon Christmas tree, and I'm going to be using a 1/2 inch pipe, and this is 1/2 inch by 5 feet, and this is actually a piece of pipe that I had left over from my last project, so I'm going to use it. And I thought 5 feet would be perfect because once you place the star on top, it will give it a few more feet, and it's going to be about 6.5 feet tall when I get done with it. And I'm going to also use a round cutting board from Dollar Tree, and I'm using a coupling 1/2 inch on top and 3/4 at the bottom. And I already glued this together last night because I wanted it to, bond fully. So all I did was just, use E6000, place it at the bottom, and then I added hot glue inside so you can keep it intact while E6000 does its magic. Okay, so yeah, and that's it. So that's not going anywhere. So all I have to do is just place my pipe right inside. Now I'm going to start placing the balloons on the frame, and the balloon sizes are going to decrease as you go up. And I'm going to start with my 12-inch balloons, and I'm going to blow them up, but you don't want to overinflate, so you want them to still look round, not extended, as so. And I'm going to start with 6 balloons at the bottom, and I'm going to pair them together. So you're going to need 3 of these, and then I'm going to glue them together from the end to each other with my low temperature hot glue gun. Okay, so here's my first layer of 6 balloons, and I'm going to go ahead and do the second layer, and I'm also going to use 6 balloons, but I'm just going to blow them up slightly smaller. For my third layer, I'm going to use 5 balloons, and I'm going to blow them up the same size as my second layer. And for this one, you're going to have to cut the excess balloon in order to glue it together with the other balloon. So go ahead and cut it off, and make sure not to be too close to the knot because it can deflate. After you have done your 3 first layers, you are going to put away your hot glue gun for now. And now I'm going to make pairs. Okay, and I'm going to make them or put them together into 4s, okay, and then you're going to wrap them around the frame. And you're going to notice that once you start placing the balloons on the frame, the balloons at the bottom are going to move, but that's okay because they're not secure yet. I'm waiting to secure them after I'm done with all of the balloons in case I have to move them around. Yeah, so don't worry about it, okay? It's perfectly fine. For my next layer of 4, I'm going to make my balloons slightly smaller than the ones I just placed on there. Now I'm going to move on to my 9-inch balloons, because if I make these 12-inch balloons any smaller, they're going to lose their roundness. So I'm going to go ahead and make my next set 9-inch. And they're lightly smaller than the balloons that you see right on top. Now I'm going to move on to my 5-inch balloons, since I cannot make my 9-inch balloons any smaller. Okay, so here's what I have so far, and I am going to be replacing that one right there. Right there you go, right there. I'm going to make that a little bigger so it can be a little bit more well proportioned. And there it is. And so basically all you have to do is for your first 2 layers, you are going to pair 6 balloons together, and you are going to glue them together with your low temperature hot glue gun. And for the second layer, you just have to make sure that you blow it up a little bit less than the one at the bottom, okay? Slightly less. And then you are going to, for your third layer, you are going to blow up 5 balloons, and it's going to be about the same size. And then you are going to blow up 4 balloons, and then once you get to the 4 balloons, then you can tie it to your frame, okay? And then you are going to blow each layer slightly smaller until you cannot blow it up any smaller on that size. Once you start losing the shape, then you move up to the next size, and then again you slightly blow it up smaller until you get to the top. Now you should take the time to move around some of the balloons to make sure that everything is straight, and then you can go ahead and start securing the balloons at the bottom with your low temperature hot glue gun. Now I'm going to start decorating the tree with my 5-inch balloons, gold and transparent balloon, and I'm going to be adding gold confetti to the transparent balloons. And I'm going to be blowing them up very small. They definitely have to be smaller than the other balloons, but make sure that they don't lose its roundness. That's enough because I can go on and on and on with more balloons, but I actually think it looks pretty great the way it looks right now. And I'm going to go ahead and move on with my star, and this is a gold foil star that I got from Party City. They actually have this one at Dollar Tree as well, but they didn't have gold, so I ended up going to Party City instead. And it looks kind of big right now, but once you blow it up, it gets a little smaller. And then I'm just going to go ahead and place a straw in there, blow it up, and then I'm going to tie it with a transparent cord. So I ended up tying the fishing line, can you see it? Right there. And then I'm just going to wrap it around some of the balloons so it can stand straight. Okay guys, this is it. This is my balloon Christmas tree, and it is absolutely adorable. I love it to pieces. So cute. This Christmas tree is definitely perfect for any big Christmas party or any small gathering for Christmas. It will be totally perfect, and it is so out of the box. It wasn't really that hard to make. It is a little time consuming because you have to blow up all the balloons, and by myself it took me about, well, I did this in a split of 2 days. For the white balloons, that took me about 2 hours, and for the little ones another 2 hours today, and that's because I had to place the confetti inside the transparent balloons. But other than that, very easy to make, and if you can make this with your kids or with any friends, it will be a fun activity to make. You can also choose to make the tree in a more traditional color like green, and you can use ornaments like red and all the other colorful colors that you will use in a traditional tree. I chose white because in Georgia it doesn't snow, and although I don't miss the snow, I decided to make it white, and I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so right here, right now, and don't forget to hit that notification bell while you're at it. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my balloon Christmas tree, and leave me a comment anyway, because you know I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that's looking for Christmas party decor, make sure to share it with them at the end of this video. Alright guys, until next time, bye.